Dear students, me Arif Ghazlani from Multan Public School and College Multan. Today we are going to discuss the transfer of heat of Unit 12 subject physics for O level 9. What is the transfer of heat? I would like to explain it first. The transfer of heat means shifting of heat or flow of heat. This flow or transformation of the heat can take place, number one, within the same body, from different parts of the same body to the different part. For example, if we put a teaspoon in hot cup of tea, then we see that the upper end of the spoon becomes hot. This is the transfer of heat from one part of a body to another part. And secondly, that is the transfer of heat from one body to another body. And the third one is the transfer of heat or the shifting of heat or the flow of heat from sun to the earth. Next, we are going to discuss what are our common observations about the transfer of heat. Dear students, we see thermal energy does not flow in a rod if the temperature of both ends of the rod is same. The question is that why? Why? If the temperature of both ends of the rod is same, then there is no flow of heat. The reason is that the flow can only take place if there is a difference of temperature between the ends of a body. This body may be the spoon which is placed in a hot cup of tea, where one end of the spoon which is within the tea that is hot and other end that is cold. That's why we see that after some time the other end of the spoon becomes hot. Number two, why the flow why the heat flows between the ends. This flow only take place due to the temperature difference. Number 3, what are the factors on which the rate of flow of heat depends? Rate means how the transfer of heat is speedy, हाउ एक कितना जल्दी एक एंड से दूसरी एंड तक पहुंचता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द रेट ऑफ फ्लो. द रेट ऑफ फ्लो. तो डियर्स, द आंसर ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी सिंपल. द वन, heat energy only flows when there is a differences of temperature between the ends. Number 2, factors on which the flow of the heat depends. We see if the temperature difference is greater between the ends of the body, then the flow of the heat is rapid and greater. Number 3, effect of nature of material also matters. As we know, copper conduct heat with greater rate, or within the copper rod the heat flows rapidly as compared to that of the iron or some other material. It means the nature of the material also helps the flow of the heat. Next, which we are going to discuss, that are the types of the transfer of heat or modes of the transfer of heat. Dear students, there are 3 modes of transfer of heat. Number 1, conduction. Number 2, convection. Number 3, radiation. Today, we are only going to discuss the flow of heat through conduction. Now the question is, what is conduction? Conduction is the flow of heat within a body, within a body without the transfer or the actual movement of the particle from one point to another point. How the conduction takes place through the different materials. Let us see how the conduction. It is the transfer of heat by thermal vibration of molecules in a body. We discuss the example of a rod whose one end is placed on a flame, and molecules from end at higher temperature get energy from the flame and start vibrating with greater amplitude, hitting the neighboring molecules. By doing so, they transfer some of their energy to the neighboring atom, and in the result, these atoms start to vibrate with greater amplitude. And in this way, energy is transferred from one end to another, or from one body to another body, which are in thermal contact to each other. The examples are given below. Here you see that there are two ends which are connected. We see that heat is going to flow from hot temperature or at an end which is a high temperature to the end which is at low temperature. Thank you very much.